And now I will give a floor to Professor Aleksandar Djordjević to address you and the follow discussion. Till 2 o'clock. Okay.
Thank you, Professor. It seems that it's not because of the hot weather, but definitely it's becoming very hot in this beautiful room here today. We already opened, thanks to our introduction notes, some key questions, some hot topics. We already started with some discussions. We already expressed some expectations from the youth. They will be especially present on the third day of the conference with their papers. And unfortunately, I have to make a short break now and to step back to the organizational things, because I'm the one in charge for the 3 days of your presence here at Belgrade. First of all, welcome to Serbia. I'm sure that we have plenty of international guests here. A lot of international scientists and researchers recognized this conference as an opportunity to introduce their papers and, of course, to come here to learn more about the Western Balkan. And I'm not sure how familiar you are with Serbia, but let's say some facts about the country where you are at the moment. Welcome to the land of raspberries. Probably if you eat raspberries somewhere there, probably it's raspberry from Serbia. We are one of the world's largest exporters of that beautiful fruit. Welcome to the, believe it or not, welcome to the land of vampires. Vampire is one of the, maybe the only one, internationally accepted word from Serbia. So we invented vampires. Welcome to the land of clocks. We invented clocks 600 years before the Swiss did. Now we have Novak Djokovic, sorry Roger, just to improve the quality of chocolates, and we can become a Switzerland of the Western Balkan. Why not? We can be better than them. Welcome to the land of Roman emperors, especially welcome to the land of Christian the Great, who declared Christianity as an official religion nearby today's city Niš in southern Serbia. Welcome to the land of science. Welcome to the homeland of Nikola Tesla, Mihailo Pupin, Milutin Milankovic. Welcome to the land of sports. Welcome to the land of Novak Djokovic and Nikola Jokic. They are very popular these days. We are very proud. And finally, welcome to the city of Belgrade. I believe that for the next 3 days, we can say that this town will be the capital of green transition, capital city of the green transition for the Western Balkan. Welcome to the University of Belgrade. You heard that we are the largest and most important university in this part of the Europe with more than 40 institutions and with impressive number of students, more than 90,000 students. And that's something that we count on in the future, especially in their energy, in their knowledge, and in their willingness to support us in this process. And finally, welcome to the 130 years old institution, Faculty of Geography. And I hope that I will see you all on a third day when we have a celebration. We will have a birthday party in the building next to us. And I hope you will join us for the party, not just for this hardworking part of the conference. Regarding the conference itself, you saw that we divided conference in 7 large topics based on the pillars of the Green Agenda, 5 pillars of the Green Agenda, and we added 2 more sections. One is dedicated one is our attempt to specialize all those Green Agenda issues and to see how those issues will affect the space around us. That's the section dedicated to spatial planning and Green Agenda, and also to the project, Horizon project, that we are very proud here, that we have in cooperation with our partners from Albania, also here present, from Nord Regio, from Italy, for Macedonia, and so on. And finally, we have a section dedicated to young researchers, because we believe that they need that extra time, extra space where they feel comfortable and where they can present their own papers without any pressure about the older and more experienced experienced researchers. Today, we will work here in two, let's say, groups of papers, presentations. Then we will have, after first group of presentations, we will have a short coffee break, refreshment. Then we will finish with presentations. And then I invite all of you, especially the guests from abroad, to join us for a city tour. And later on, the city tour will finish at 8 o'clock, and we will start at 8 o'clock our cocktail in a botanical garden. You are all invited to join us there. It will be a nice opportunity to be in a less formal surrounding and not just to discuss about the green agenda topics, but also to meet all other colleagues, researchers, partners from the ministries, partners from the Chamber of Commerce, etc. Tomorrow, we will move to just 5 minutes far away, down the street. We will move to a Congress Center. We will work in parallel sessions. And maybe the central event of tomorrow's is the section dedicated to circular economy. Chamber of Commerce organized a great panel, also organized a great section dedicated to best practice examples with already 50 confirmed participants and 5 very, very representative companies. And I invite you all to join us tomorrow and to learn more about the circular economy. And I believe personally, we will see later on, I believe personally, at the moment, one of the strongest pillars of the green agenda in Serbia. The last day, we will dedicate morning to the students. We will host them at our faculty in a library. Then, as I mentioned, you are all welcome to the rectorate to the birthday celebration. And finally, we will finish with the section dedicated to spatial planning and green agenda in a very, very nice building, again, 3 minutes far away from here in the same street. If you have any questions, feel free to contact either me or my colleagues from the organization. If you have any needs, if you need any confirmation papers, etc., just feel free to contact us. We will organize everything. And of course, if you have anything to ask, if you want to discuss, feel free to raise your hands and to ask immediately our presenters. The whole event is broadcasted immediately live, so we are going live at the moment, thanks to our host, to the Academy of Science and Arts of Serbia. And I believe that all other guests who are not able to be present at the moment can follow the discussion and presentation in real time via internet.